Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your iPhone X so the wallpaper fits and behaves. Open Settings to confirm storage and iOS version, because outdated software can change options. Next, pick an image at 1125 by 2436 pixels for full screen sharpness. If you don't have that, crop now. Decide whether you want the image on the lock screen, home screen, or both, and choose whether to keep perspective zoom enabled. Once done, move to Photos to access, and you now crop and edit the image inside Photos so it looks right on iPhone X. Tap Edit, use crop and set the aspect or drag corners to frame the subject. This controls composition on both screens. Make exposure and color adjustments or apply a subtle filter so icons remain readable. Tap Done, then share and choose use as wallpaper. Preview with perspective zoom on or off, then position and pinch to scale. Make sure icons won't cover important parts before you finalize. You finish by confirming and testing the wallpaper across the device. After tapping Set, choose Lock, Home, or both and watch the transition to ensure alignment. If the image doesn't update, restart your iPhone X to refresh the home and lock screen caches. If the parallax or cropping looks wrong, go to Settings Wallpaper and toggle Perspective Zoom or re-edit the crop with more margin. Finally, if icons overlap the subject, slightly shift or scale the image and set again until it looks balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.